Are you having fun? Yeah? Is it fun in there? What are you doing? Are you having fun? Yeah? Are you bouncing? Are you bouncing? He's trying. We don't quite have it yet. But we sure do like hanging out in here. Do you like it, babies? Grayson. What are you doing? Hi, handsome. Say bye. That was a long bye. Still going? His new thing, he scratches everything. It's really cute. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Oh, goodbye.